about to teach you how you can be able to gain a work from home job. Very comfortable and they're hiring very fast. So when you see this video, please do as much as possible to subscribe, comment, and tell us about the type of job you want us to help you find. So once you indicate on the comment section, we will help you to get your work from home job that are currently hiring. I hope this helps you. But please make sure you subscribe to our channel and make sure that you actually click the bell notification so that every time we post a new job opportunity, you will be the first to see it. So today we're actually going to show you the numerous work from home jobs that are currently hiring. And please, the first one we are going to show you is the job Elevate Jobs that is currently hiring for those who are in the United States. The opening is a whole company full time and is remote. So if you love our app Elevate and Balance would like to join us, you can easily apply for these jobs. It's not that hard. After numerous research, they have openings in different areas such as engineering, data analytics, people's operation, content strategy research, audio search and social media, product marketing growth, customer support, product management and design. These are the benefits if you work with them: competitive salary and equity, medical and dental and vision insurance for you and your family, annual learning process and travel stipends, generous PTO, flexible sick leave, and paid parental leave. So this is about them. You can actually research more when you go on their website. I'll be posting the link. And when you just click apply, it will take you to the form, the Google form application or page where you have to do what? Attach your CV, write your full name, your phone number, your current location, and this is your LinkedIn links, Twitter, GT Hub portfolio, and otherwise. Then additional information about you. This is your cover letter where you'll be telling them why you think you're fit for the job and your achievements so far. So these are the things you have to fill, what race you're from, what gender you should be identified as. And when you finish all that, you just say submit application. It's very easy. There's not much hassle about these jobs as long as your CVs are aligned to the qualification. Hopefully, you will actually get the job. It's not really hard. And please make sure that you always click the notification bell on our channel so that every time we post a new job in 2024, you will be the first to get a notification. Because, mind you, these jobs are not sitting there waiting for you. It's first come, first serve. So that's the reason why you have to be a subscriber. Because when we push out content, when we post these jobs, you'll be first to get it and apply. So we have another job here. This is the Good Food Institute. They're hiring as well. But this is a remote job for those who are in the United States. General interest application. So when you go to Good Food Institute and you click on career, it will take you here. And I will be actually sending the links. So for those who are interested, I will attach the links to the video. So make sure you watch the video to the end and use the link, these job links. Because once you click on the link, it takes you to the application page where you can be able to apply. And it's first come, first serve. Good Food Institute, they are currently hiring, but this is for those who are currently in the United States, any part of the United States. The next one we have here is IRA. visual interpreter manager. But this is remote as well, and there is only for people who are in San Diego, California, in the United States. So this is the description of the job. It's a visual interpreting uh, company. They're into technology. So you'll be working with them as a visual interpreter. The work environment from the private workspace of free distraction. So it's a work from home job where you can actually stay at the comfort of your home, but you have to make sure that where you are is very quiet so that it doesn't affect your work or your client. Responsibilities. Develop a deep understanding of how error delivers value to our clients. So these are the responsibilities. Participate in identifying the team KPI, creating procedures and holding individual accountable to meeting expectation. Handle call escalation professionally while demonstrating deep understanding of the business. So these are your responsibilities. Then the requirements for this job. So women, the study shows women and other marginalized groups are less likely to apply to a job because they do not meet 100% of the requirements. We encourage individuals with unconventional experience to apply. So the requirements is experience managing and developing 15 plus frontline service individuals, 5 years of minimum customer service experience, 2 years of minimum managerial experience, excellent communication skill. I think that's the first and foremost a priority that you must have a very good communication skill because you are dealing with clients, people from around the world. Highly organized and attentive to details, and a bachelor's degree. These are the values of the company, and these are their principles. So the benefits: opportunity to shape a new profession, opportunity to work remote, flexibility, and employer-sponsored healthcare, and stock options. So I will be sending the link in the video. So for those who are interested in this job, you can actually use the link I post to apply directly to their job page, which makes it very easier for you because we have done the research to find out about these job openings. So that's why you have to be a subscriber for you to benefit from these opportunities. So here we have great assistance. They're hiring, and about this job is only remote for those who are in the United States. This is a visual assistant company. About the job, be the organizational force behind health innovation as our visual assistants. So they are currently hiring for visual assistants. So, and these are the responsibility, the things they expect you to do. Organizing Dr. Tom's schedule, managing appointments and prioritizing tasks, prepare materials and summaries for meeting, monitoring project deadlines and sending timely reminder, taking notes of the meeting, handling emails, providing comprehensive administrative support, assisting with technical aspects during group calls and managing electronic files, basic editing and managing video content with an option for graphic creation in Canva. So you must have a knowledge of Canva, aiding staff and coordinating resources using tools like Asana and Pickup. This role requires a proactive, fun, mission-driven approach with a commitment to not just support but actively contribute to the success of our organizations. This is awesome. So the responsibilities are persistent, forward thinking, and adaptable in communication, bright, efficient, and proactive, capable of acting without delay. They don't want dull people. You must be a tech savvy, quick to learn, and you will need a familiar. You need to be familiar with the Google Workspace tool. You will need to come ready to learn the foreign tool. So they will teach you as well. ClickUp, Asana, Canva, Slack, OneShop, Zoom, Otter, and Kajabi. Position details. This will be 1099 contract position. A distraction-free working environment is a requirement. The position will start at 32 hours a week and up to 40 hours within the first 90 days. That's 3 months here. Flexible work hours, Monday through Friday, 8 to 4 p.m. The position must require availability of some evening technical couple times of the month on Tuesday and Wednesdays and occasionally on Saturday, approximately 2 to 4 times a year. You must be able to pass background and credit check. The pay rate for this position is $25 per hour, and we are looking for someone to become a long-term, 3 years plus member of our team. So if you know that you're interested in this job, just click on the apply for the position and fill in the form. And once you're selected, boom. So this is how the form you're supposed to apply looks like. So it's only open to residents that live in the United States or Canada. So if you're in the United States or in Canada, this job is for you. Hurry up, it's for you. So when you fill in all these and you attach your resume, your hourly expectation, how many hours you're looking to work with them, remember they are flexible. If offered a position, when would you be able to start? If it's immediately, 1 week, 2 weeks, within a month, and other, you can fail and give a reason why you're not ready yet, if you're not ready as yet. So I guess once you finish and you click apply, just pray to God and you will get it. Our hope is to share this information for those who are actually eligible for the job and for you all to get this job and start making some money because money makes the world go round. So the next job here we have is Invincible. They have a current opening in all departments. So it depends on which one you want to apply for. But remember, this is a remote job that is only based in the United States. So if you're outside the United States, you can wait for us to bring the worldwide job opportunities. The only worldwide opportunity they'll have here is Operation Enterprise, which is AI data trainer. If you can actually apply from any part of the world. AI extraction auditor, but you have to speak English and Romanian. This opportunity is worldwide. Expert in AI data trainer is Finance and Jason. It's worldwide. Data trainer in mathematics. These are worldwide opportunities. You can actually, when you click on them, you can actually fill in the form. If you're from Korea and you're looking for to become an advanced AI data trainer, you can actually give it a try. These are the openings they have in Invisible. Customer success is worldwide. Strategic accounts, VP of strategic accounts worldwide. Engineering partners, Director of Engineering, North America. Engineering manager worldwide. These are the worldwide jobs they have. Growth sales, Director of Partnership, Cloud and Generative AI. This is for those who are in San Francisco. New York area, and the rest. Head of sales AI training, head of sales healthcare, North America. So we actually will be pasting these links. So you can actually use the link to actually take you to the job site, the career page, where you can actually click and apply easily because we have done all the research for you to be able to see the openings. All you have to do now is to apply. And the next one we have here is tides. Tides, they're actually looking for this job was posted yesterday. Executive assistant, temporary, but it's in the United States. So when you click on it, you can actually apply if you and salary range is between 52,000 to 100,000, 103,200 annually. So they're currently looking for executive assistants. They posted this as of yesterday, but we'll be sending the link. So you have to watch this video to the end and apply to the one that best suits you or you know you can perform in your very best capacity. Make sure you are a subscriber for you to enjoy all the benefits for those who are our family.